It looks like the rest of the thing we cannot
They share our
dimension.
IC. Oh no, they want to see our M card. Our M card on there. Yeah, my birthday was last day. Yesterday. This was 1st January. Today's my birthday. Today's my birthday. Yeah, my birthday 21st day first. Oh, you already packed. Did you even think to walk through?
Okay, radio we cannot do the dimension, so just leave it.
Is it normal or is it not? We also have bring back.
You can see this as another family and then use it. Let's see if you want to use this as one of your standard elements for your SP tower design. It is possible.
The state.
Yeah, if this you can have a different shape, but the method you can use to create. Okay. Maybe I'll just demonstrate one more. Yeah, no time already. No time already. Let me summarize as I said. This actually requires 2 lessons to finish. Okay. I actually done the most of it.
Not all are better, right?
Not all. You just need to. Okay. To make it so simple, you know how to create the box as a family. That's good enough. So the first one is extrusion. Make sure you know how to use that extrusion. Okay. Of course, when you create it as a family, you must create dimension. Without dimension, how do you change the parameters? You must put dimension there. Okay. So generally, after the first demonstration, the rest of the things like the blend and the swept blend, all this is just different ways of creating different geometry. The typical step is that you create the geometry, 3D geometry, and then do dimensioning. Finishing dimensioning, you need to make sure you parameterize it, which means you need to make the dimension a parameter. You need to make this like h equal to something, e equal to something. That is a parameter. Okay, how you do that? You actually go there to add. But this parameter itself is more complicated than this. It's not necessarily be the. I mean the dimension itself, for example, h equal to 400. Don't worry about those numbers because those numbers you can change. Okay, you can change here. You can even create a new type. This, if you do a new type here, this is equivalent like the time you do a duplicate under in the project. In the project, you can duplicate. If you click a new here, now you're going to create a new. It's like a duplicated. You can change the value. You can even enter the formula here. Okay. You can even add parameters. Let me just show you a little bit of this here. Yeah, this is important. Okay. I'm creating a new variable. I'm making it called A. Okay. Name is A. It's going to be a structural category. Just put it as a structural category. This one less important. Actually, it could be. It's not the dimension because. So I'm going to create a new parameter A, and this A, I can enter formula. It's actually cross-sectional area, which is E times H. Okay, that is representing this cross-sectional area at this side. Interesting. After you save this, you load into a. This is what. it here. Save to the correct position. Okay, then I close this.
You must have
Then I open my project file. Then I insert this family or load this family into my project. This is under generic model. Generic model. I now have this. I can add it in here. Okay. So it is there. I can now use the edit type to change the dimension here. To make it 1000 and B is equal to H. The formula works. So it is calculating now. Yeah. And that means you can even see a property. Select this. You can see a property and dimension, volume. Hey, volume is also calculated. Okay, you can see the area. It's calculated. Okay, under the property, edit type, you can see that. Okay, I think now, next thing, this Friday, your project is due to submit.
This Friday.